Distance and displacement. Distance traveled is a scalar quantity that refers to the measure of the total length of the path taken by an object or person from their starting point to their end point. It is usually measured in units such as kilometers, meters, or miles and can vary depending on the route taken. Let's say you are walking from your house to the school, which is located 1 kilometer away. The distance traveled would be 1 kilometer because that is the total length of the path you took from your starting point, your house, to your end point, the school. If you decide to take a different route on your way back home, your distance traveled would be different. For example, let's say you take a longer route which is 1.5 kilometers to get back to your house. In this case, your total distance traveled would be 1 kilometer from your house to the school, plus 1.5 kilometers from the school back to your house, which equals 2.5 kilometers. Displacement is a vector quantity that refers to the change in the position of an object or person from its initial position to its final position. It is a straight line distance between the initial and final positions, measured along the shortest possible path. Displacement is different from distance traveled, which refers to the total length of the path taken by an object or person between 2 points. Displacement, on the other hand, only takes into account the change in position of the object or person from the starting point to the ending point, regardless of the path taken. For example, if you walk from point A to point B, and then return to point A by the same path, your displacement would be 0 because your final position is the same as your initial position. However, your distance traveled would be the total length of the path you took to get from point A to point B and back to point A again.